Today I'm going to teach you how to factor by using the method FOIL. Now FOIL stands for the first, the outer, the inner, and the last term in the equation. Now we have x plus 2, 2x plus 3. Now what we're going to do in this equation is we're going to multiply this first number by the first term in this bracket. Now that's going to give you 2x to the power of 2, since when you multiply an x times an x, it gives you to the power of 2. Now we're going to multiply the outer term here, which would be x times 3, which you would get positive 3x. Now you're going to multiply the second term in the first bracket by the inner term in this bracket. You're going to get 4x. Now you're going to multiply the last term, 6, positive 6. Now you're going to collect terms so that everything is together, and this is going to give you 2x to the power of 2 plus 7x, because you add these together, plus 6. Let's say you're trying to factor from standard form. Let's say you have the equation x to the power of 2 subtract 6 plus 5, and you're trying to factor that. So one of the ways that you can do that is by using the box method. First part of the box, you put the x to the power of 2, and you put the last term, which is positive 5, and over here you put the middle term, which is negative 6x. You're going to put the x's in this box because x times x equals x to the power of 2. And in this box, you're trying to find a number that multiplies to 5. So this could be, obviously there's only one number that multiplies to 5, which is 1 times 5. So you put that number in this box. And this number has to add or subtract to negative 6. You do a crossover method and multiply x times 5, which is you get 5x, and then you do x times 1, which is just 1x or x. These two numbers have to equal to negative 6. So what two signs equal to negative 6? Both negative and a negative, because negative 5 subtract 1 equals negative 6. So now you know that the two numbers that have to be factored is x and negative 1 and x and negative 5. This could be x subtract 1, x subtract negative 5. This method can also be used for an area of a rectangle. X to the power of 2 subtract 6 plus 5. That is your area. And now you can use the box method that I just taught you to figure out the length and width, which would have been x subtract 1, x subtract 5. Now you have the area equals x subtract 1